Hey guys, what's up? So today I've got something, it's already been opened, I've already looked at it, but I went ahead and put it back in the box so I could kind of unbox it for you guys. So this is something that I think is really cool, and you really don't see a lot of merchandise from this particular bus manufacturer, so I definitely had to get this. It is Safety Liner C2 approved. So let's just go ahead and take out the bubble wrap. Here it is. It is an AmTran Corporation coffee mug. So yeah, it's yellow. It doesn't really have anything else on it. There's no bus or anything like the IC mugs I have. But I like drinking coffee, and I like AmTrans and AmTran Corporation. This is a pretty cool mug. I saw it and was like, I gotta have it because I do own an AmTran, as you all know. So yeah, but I just thought I'd show this to you guys real quick. Not a very long video, but I thought it would do. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And one last thing before I go. So if you haven't seen in my community posts, I'm going to be doing a Q&A video. So basically, ask me questions, yeah? You can comment on the Q&A post I made in my community tab, or you can comment on this video, your question. Now, one thing I will say, it really depends on how many questions I get when it comes to, answering them all. So we'll just see. I know somebody already asked one question, and I thought it was pretty good. So I'm pretty excited to see what you guys have to ask. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think.